Welcome to Trailvia. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. I don't think people understand how wild the future of air travel is going to be. We're about to explore some seriously dope predictions that could change the way we fly forever. From supersonic jets to personal flying machines, the sky's definitely not the limit anymore. Let's check it out. All right, let's kick things off with something that might sound familiar: supersonic flight. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Didn't we already do that with the Concorde? Well, we did, but it's making a comeback, and this time it's bigger and better. NASA's X-59 jet and Boom's Overture airliners are leading the charge. These bad boys could cut transatlantic flight times in half. But it's not just about speed. We're also looking at some crazy long flights. Right now, the longest flight in the world is just under 19 hours from New York to Singapore. But hold on to your seats, because Qantas is planning to launch flights from Sydney to London and New York that'll last over 20 hours. That's like, watching the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy with time to spare. They're calling it Project Sunrise, and it's set to take off in 2026. Pretty insane when you think about it. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Imagine hopping into your own personal drone and zipping off to work. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's closer to reality than you might think. A Chinese company called Ehang has already successfully tested autonomous electric passenger drones. These things can carry 1 or 2 people and fly at speeds up to 81 miles per hour. It's like having your own personal helicopter, but way cooler. But what if you're not ready to pilot your own drone? Don't worry, electric planes are on the horizon too. United Airlines is betting big on this tech, ordering planes from a Swedish company called Heart Aerospace. These electric commuter planes can carry 30 passengers and have a range of up to 248 miles. It's not just United either. Airlines like Icelandair and Air Canada are jumping on board too. This could be a game changer for short-haul flights and could, seriously reduce aviation's carbon footprint. The future of air travel is looking pretty green, and I'm all for it. Okay, bear with me on this one because it sounds pretty out there. What if planes could change the shape of their wings mid-flight, just like birds do? That's exactly what some engineers are working on with something called morphing wings. It's not just a cool party trick. This tech could make planes way more efficient and adaptable to different flying conditions. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this one's still pretty far out. The development process has been long and complicated, but researchers at MIT and NASA are on the case, so you know it's legit. Just imagine looking out the window on your flight and seeing the wings literally change shape. It would be like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. And who knows, maybe this tech could lead to even more innovative designs in the future. The possibilities are pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. And there you have it. 5 mind-blowing predictions for the future of air travel. From supersonic jets to personal drones, electric planes to shape-shifting wings, the way we fly is about to change in some seriously dope ways. Who knows, maybe in a few years I'll be making videos from my personal flying drone. Until then, this has been Trailvia. Peace. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia for more exciting content.